Ainda bem que agora encontrei você. Eu realmente não sei o que eu fiz pra merecer você, porque ninguém dava nada por mim. Quem dava eu não tava afim. Até desacreditei de mim. O meu coração já estava acostumado com a solidão. Quem diria que ao meu lado você iria ficar? Você veio pra ficar. Você que me
Alright guys, this is the Eshelman. Fixing to paint the firewall, the inner fender area today. You see all the bottom of this floor is done. Let me show you something else here. See that switch? It's a vintage 57 through a 58, possibly a 59 or so. Chrysler Dodge Plymouth dimmer switch. Been waiting on that for a little while to get here, because I had to drill this hole in here and make it where to fit. I've got to put a spacer in this little area right there. So he's setting up about like that. A little grommet will go in there after it's painted. That is the firewall. I'm pre-water sanding, and I'll show you more parts here. Here's the bottom of the hood and the steering wheel. Standing in between all these little letters is a pain in the butt. Of course, that little M was chipped and I had to epoxy that. But here's the back panel for the car, and I'll take these bolts out of here when I paint and edge all this in. I have to wipe some of the sanding dust off of that. And this is the front one. And I finished this one where it's smooth like the outside of the car. Little hinges. We paint those today. Right and left, bottom side of the hood, and this entire area in here, the bottom of the floor, back panel back in here, and down in this tunnel here where the V-belt goes. So next time you see this, it'll be turquoise under here. So stay tuned and check it out. It's going to look really good. I've been spending a lot of time on this lately. I haven't been making videos because I've been doing a kitchen remodel across town and just got a little time to work on this week, finish it up. It was ready 3 weeks ago, but I just didn't. I had to go do that other job. But anyway, this will be painted today, and from right in this area, you see right here where my finger's at, just about a 1/4 inch that way and over down to back in here, and in here this will be sprayed with a bed liner, and all this area from here forward is going to be the turquoise. So hope you like it, and I can't wait to get some paint on it and show you what it's going to look like. Alright guys, this is the under hood, painted and clear coated. Don't look bad. Can't wait till I get all this bolted together tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but another few days. Here, to show this hood. hard to tell anything about it out here in this sun. This is the color Eshelman's going to be. It's a turquoise with a green and blue pearl and binder. It'll really pop in the sun. That's what I've got going on today with it. Been pretty busy and just now got back to it. I'll make another video once I get it all bolted together. Get a little better view of this Eshelman out here now that the sun's off of it. These are my floor mats that I had cut. This one goes on this side, but it'll be on the inside, but then I got the other one for the other side. This color is not showing up on this camera true to the color. It looks blue and it's actually turquoise out here. It's a weird thing with cameras. But there's the hood and the steering wheel. And this panel here. And you can't see none of that pearl out here in the shade. That's the front one. And then here's the back one. Go ahead and show you the hood hinges. I edited everything in out here in the outside today. When I paint the whole part to the outside, I'll have to put it in a booth and keep trash and stuff from getting in it, but edging these parts in. And actually got no trash anywhere. It's amazing. Turned out excellent. Hope you guys like it.